So welcome to today's video. I'm in The Hague in the Netherlands and I'm staying in this hotel called Voco. Now I have stayed in Voco before. I've stayed in Voco in Dubai and in Saudi Arabia. It's a pretty nice hotel brand. It's part of the IHG group. So I have high hopes for this hotel. Let's go inside and check it out. It is an impressive building, to be honest. From the outside it looks really nice, especially compared to the surrounding buildings. And to get here it's about a 20-minute walk from The Hague Central Station. So let's go inside and check out this hotel. The check-in time is around 3 o'clock. I did get here a bit early, so I couldn't get my room straight away. So I just kind of wandered around the town centre until around 3 o'clock when my room was ready. The checkout time is 12 o'clock. I have to say I do like the decoration around the hotel. It seems very premium and it's very clean. It definitely gives a great first impression of the hotel as you're walking around the lobby area. And there's also a restaurant just next to where the lobby is called Botanica Kitchen, Garden and Bar. And there's lots of plants and open spaces and lots of light coming through. So it definitely seems very high-end and premium. This is a 4-star hotel and so far it's living up to that high quality. So let's go up to my room, the room that I stayed in. The room that I stayed in was a premium room. It cost me roughly about £200 per night, and that did include breakfast as well. So my room was on the 3rd floor. Over here you can actually see the floors below and down to the restaurant. So here we are at my room. I stayed in room 361. So we have a large sized bed which was very comfortable, and we have a desk over here. There's a decent sized TV. I do like the furniture style in this room. It's kind of like a little bit retro, especially with the design of the wardrobe. So we've been given some kind of teacups there. There is an espresso coffee machine. Here we have all the coffee pods and some teas and hot chocolate there. Underneath we have a safe and some storage space. And this is the closet. It's kind of like an open closet to hang your clothes. And over here is the bathroom area. Okay, that's the premium room at the Voco The Hague. This is the view of outside. Let me know what you think of this room in the comments section below. So we're going to head down to breakfast now. It's a full buffet breakfast, so let me show you everything that's available here. Now for evening activities, the hotel has a bar. I think it's called Ultra Margin. It says Wonder Bar there too, so this is what this bar looks like. It did get quite busy in the evening. I kind of filmed here when it was a little bit more quiet. But yeah, this is the bar that the hotel has just next to reception. And remember, the hotel also has that restaurant Botanical Kitchen, so that's open during the day, and then this bar opens in the evening. Now on floor 1 the hotel also has a gym, so let's go and check that out. Okay, so we've made it to the end of the video. If you have any questions about this hotel, if you are planning on staying here, leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe if you can.